Alright, so I've not seen a lot of stuff on Partify yet. So here is the front end on my 01 NB2 Miata. And we have a new bumper cover and fender liner, all from Partify. And we're going to be installing them today, along with some new headlights, because we cannot be dealing with these eBays anymore. Alright, and we've got our fender in here. We're about to open it up. Okay, we got the dust off. Alright, now we've got this weirdly questionable piece of plastic on the inside.
I don't know. I've never seen like plastic, like epoxy to the inside of a body panel before. Usually this is on the outside, but I'm trying to figure out how to get this off without a razor blade, but I don't know if I really can. This might be a just hope it doesn't really melt kind of thing and just scrape off as much as we can sort of thing. We'll try to just do this.
Yeah. So we're pretty dusty. A little chip right here, but hopefully not up front. Grimy, we're gonna clean it up first. All right, this is on the inside, but for some reason this piece of paper was stuck in here, and we've got a familiar little black patch.
Right there. Okay. Not really but not bad. Let me come out from this side.
As long as it's on the inside, not on the front. All right, we're in the final stretch here of this fender coming off. Front end. Light's about to come out. Pretty good progress.
Also, I'm not a body mechanic, so if you're a body mechanic and you're laughing at me right now, I don't care. Alright, so now it's a little bit more concave than convex, so we're going to slide this guy underneath there. And we are going to raise this up over our jack, like so. Like that, okay. Now we're going to see how much closer we got. Okay.
It's looking better than it
A
was.
little bit better. Alright, wait, we're on the wrong side of it. Wait. There we go. Okay, so we're on the right side there. We're going to pull up, cool. So
I think that
a little bit of a better spot than we were before.
I think that'll be okay. That looks closer to OEM. The light behind it just makes it look huge.
Yeah, it just makes it look big. So let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, we are looking quite a bit better. We'll clean that up later when we get this fender liner back in. Finch did some amazing work.
Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to leave me a good review on Google. It really helps my business. Wow. Holy shit. That looks so much better than it did beforehand. Honestly, even before you crashed, this looks 10 times better now.
especially those headlights.
That looks phenomenal, man.
Just gotta clean her up.
Yep.
All right, we're a little over a week later. We've got the old bumper here. We have this gap because you have to transfer some of these other bits onto the new bumper. All in all, looks pretty OEM. Here's where things get very obvious that we have a new fender and bumper. The paint all matches pretty good on the outside. Looking under here, it's not a big deal. I got to transfer this bit for the latch cover. But Partify used to have some negative reviews. I gave them a shot, and I think I'm really happy with how everything came out. Cannot complain. Good job, guys.